step into the 2018 Kia Forte S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 173 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, cruise control and dust sensing headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.